Hello and welcome back to our Messenger application project. What we're going to add today is a login menu so that when a user launches the client, it asks them for a username. So let's go to our project. And so in the client, the first thing we're going to do is take out this main method, and we're going to create a new class. And this one we're just going to call it login. And so here we'll create a main method. And what we want to do is create a JFrame. Call this login. And we'll import Swing. And we're also going to need a panel. We'll create a text field so that the user can put in their username. So login name. Make the size 20. And we'll create one button to enter. And now we'll add these to the panel. So panel.add login name. And panel.add enter. We'll set the size of the frame. And then add the panel to the frame. Set visible to true. We can also set the default close operation. So now we need to add some action listeners for the buttons. So same as we did before, new action listener. And so here in the action perform method, we're going to create a new chat client. So chat client equals new chat client. And so we're going to get the text from the text field. Change this to final. And we need to surround this with a try and catch. We also need to get rid of this frame. So first thing we're going to do is make it not visible. So we're going to use the same set visible function. And this time we're going to set it to false. We can also set the frame to final. Now this actually isn't enough. We also need to dispose of the frame, because otherwise it's still going to be using resources. And you'll never be able to get rid of the resource without going into the task manager. So we have that, the enter button. And so let's go ahead and test this. Let's start our server and then launch our login. And so here we have our login JFrame. Type in a username and log in, and user 1 has logged in. So let's launch another one, user 2, and user 2 has logged in. Try some messaging again. So now our project is almost complete. In our next video, what we're going to do is make some things easier on the user, and then we are going to clean up some of the error messages we've been having.